Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Some of you might not be aware that you can do these shapes, these 4 or 5, just using a square with the distort tool and something that's called a preset. So if we take this square and go to the distort tool, we can type on a preset and it'll pull the corners. We can push the corners. Some of these are neater than others. Twister. We're just going down the line of the stamp. And it's not limited to squares. You could take any corner shape, don't have to convert it to a curve, and go to the distort tool, and we're going to pull corners. We're going to push corners. Look at that. It's the amount of shapes you can get. Now, these last couple are just kind of generic, but it's a zipper, and you can change it, make it more or less. But these are all presets set under the distortion of the zipper tool. I don't really know if there's any other presets. Yeah, it's the same thing. I don't think there's any different, but if you use the zipper tool, you can make all these. And like this stamp one, it's not perfect because it's got different kind of corners, but you could take it and Control D and duplicate it and mirror it and do like this and fill that in with a color. And now you have a more even edge line. And of course I could have made them bigger, wider. You don't want them now. No, you have to do it beforehand. But anyway, that's pretty cool. So next time you think about that, go to presets and kind of play around with it and see what you can come up with. Anyway, hope that gave you an idea or two, and thank you for watching.